if you've done a first aid course before or you've been treated by a first aider, one of the first things that they're going to do is put ice on the affected area. I'm always using the shoulder just because you can see my shoulder. But they're going to get that ice pack, they're going to put it on the shoulder, and what they say is that's going to reduce the pain, it's going to prevent inflammation. Don't worry if you've done loads of research and you're hearing people say that the rice rest ice compression elevation isn't a good tactic. Just remember that this is taught in first aid courses because it's a good tactic the moment that you get injured, because you don't know what's happened. So when you want to treat an injury that's just happened, that's why they do it. If it's later on down the line, actually, you might want that inflammation to encourage recovery.